Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Old Town. We'll have a little walk around. If you know where we are, beach is up there. We're going down there. So everything's just opened up. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, but everything should be fully open now. This place hasn't been open, so just getting open. Yeah, everything should be fully open now. It is now April, so this one will be out a few weeks into April. But yeah, this is actually the first time I've actually seen a street performer out in the middle here. So you got a Rock Sports Bar here. Steakhouse there. We're just going to take a little walk around, have a little look, and make our way back round to Vegas Bar. Hopefully we can make it all the way around. Just got €3 a beer. It's not bad. I've had enough of drinking. I've been out here for 2 weeks filming all around Spain. Costa del Sol, Benidorm, I've been everywhere, so and yeah, I've had enough of drinking. Drinking has been finished. So look, there's the pan guy, I don't know wherever he is, but I don't think he'll be allowed to do it anymore. We'll see. But yeah, everyone's just turning up, it looks like, everyone's just getting out. But yeah. The old guy over there playing the tunes, so I'll just talk over him, so don't get no copyright. This one's just opening up as well. Everyone's just getting all the restaurants ready. This is the major week, so you've got buddies there. What we're going to go down there. Bank is open, so this has not been open for the whole time we've been here, but it's just opened up. Like I said, everything should just be open now. It's the first. So we'll be coming back here tonight, getting some footage from Bank. Artrum. It was quite. We came down here last night actually with a few drinks. I don't think we recorded anything, but yeah, taking the whole window out there. And there, up here, little kebab shop. What we can do? Oh, no, classic bar's open as well. So yeah, all of these were closed. So yeah, it's a classic bar there. Very cool inside that one. If you watch our videos, it's been inside there, recorded it all inside there. This Irish bar here, I've never had a drink in there. Walked past it quite a lot. Let me know if you've ever had a nice Guinness in there. Or where'd you go for a nice Guinness? I think I brought 4 Guinnesses in the 3 Harps last night. You got guess in accordance to price, and trust me, it wasn't the same price as in the UK. No Wetherspoon's prices. What we're going to do, we're going to walk up here. So we've got Vegas Bar here, straight here, all the performance happen in that little corner down there. You alright? On the other side, I want to say hello to the camera. Oh wow. Oh wow. Good promotion for their bar. But yeah, some people are just grumpy, aren't they? It's funny being in a tourist place and being grumpy. So yeah, really nice jewellery down there. And this part's just opened up here as well. They've got a hostel in there as well, you can stay. So yeah, this has just opened up. Hasn't been open for the whole time we've been here. What we'll do, we're going to take it back straight round. Go down the stairs, let this man carry it up there. So let me tell you if you've ever tried this restaurant. I've always seen it at night time. They've got like a little bit at the top where they sell pizzas. So down there's the main bit of Albufeira Square. There's two bits of square, and there's that one and there's that one. That one behind is where the lift is. What we're going to do, we're going to take a walk straight down there towards Yolo and up towards the Three Harps. But yeah, again, let me know what you think, how much I paid for 4 Guinnesses. What do you think I paid?
The best pub in town.
Always.
Quite good.
How are you?
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah.
The best YouTuber?
Yeah, of course.
What's your name?
Wagwan Tours.
Huh?
Wagwan Tours. You already subscribed?
Really?
Yeah, I made a video with you already.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you're a legend.
God bless you, man. Big up, yeah? So everyone over here, and back and forth. So everyone having fun over there. 350 a beer. It's not bad. Large beer, 350. So I paid 28 euros. 28 euros. Can you believe that? 28 euros. That's the underdogs there. So yeah, 28 euros. Do you think that's expensive? That's DC there. So do you think that's expensive? 28 euros for 4 pints. Mind you, I drink 1 pint with like three swigs and it's done. So it's quite expensive for me anyway. So not very busy at the moment, as you can see. It's going to get very busy because everyone's just turning up. It's midweek at the moment, so everyone will be coming in. They're putting up their Geordie flag. Yeah, Newcastle, look. We'll try and get in there tonight. We'll get in there tonight, have a little video. So up here you've got the 3 Crowns. A couple of our Irish bars. I'm going to stop in a minute, get myself a drink. Got a little llama. Got a little llama farm near where we live actually. So this one, I've never been on this one before. They've got food and everything. This one's, oh sorry, I said the 3 Crowns, 3 Harps. That's where I got my most expensive beers so far. I missed Torremolinos, 2 for 9. That was a good deal. Was that Torremolinos or Fingarola? I think that was Fingarola. So, here you got Sherry's bar. I don't know if Sherry's got a second bar. Then you've got Geordie Viking there. Up this road there's a long road, take you all the way up to the top of the hill. Over here you've got Spice Lounge, my favourite Indian restaurant. Here's where you get your taxis, yeah? So this bus stop here, it's just right here. Here's where you get your taxis if you're getting Ubers or Bolt. They can't park. Normally when you order it from down here, but they can't park here. There's restriction. They all get fines for stopping. So best if you're going to order one, just order it for just up here. But guys, that is Old Town. This part of it anyway. Fully open, ready for you, ready for summer. There's a meat bar there. Look at that Vegas bar. We stayed literally in that room, right in the middle. We stayed right in there. It wasn't the best, but it is what it is. You pay pay quite cheap for your accommodation. You get what you pay for. So guys, thanks for watching anyway. It's Wagwan Tours, and I'll catch you on the very next one.